The Galaxy S25 Ultra has officially arrived, and we finally have a hands-on video showcasing Samsung's next big flagship. This marks an exciting moment for fans eager to see what Samsung has in store for 2025. Along with the first real-life video of the S25 Ultra, there are also major updates regarding Samsung's bold strategic changes for the upcoming year. But first, let's take a closer look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra in action. The video, initially posted on Reddit, has since been confirmed multiple times by credible leakers on Twitter, confirming that this is indeed the Galaxy S25 Ultra and not a hoax. As we can see in the video, the S25 Ultra retains a boxy design but now features more rounded edges, making it more comfortable to hold. The display is mostly flat, with only a slight curve, and there's a punch-hole camera placed in the middle of the screen. Notably, Samsung has chosen not to include an under-display camera in this flagship model. On the right side of the phone, we can spot the volume rocker and the power button. Flip the phone over, and we can see the rear camera setup, 4 sensors in total. These include a wide lens, dual telephoto lenses, and an ultra-wide-angle lens. The user interface, UI, on the S25 Ultra also gives us clues about its software, as we can spot the new One UI 7.0, which powers the device. Specifically, the battery icon indicates that this is indeed a next-gen model running on Samsung's latest UI iteration. One of the most striking changes with the S25 Ultra, apart from the rounded edges, is how much thinner it appears compared to the previous Galaxy S24 Ultra. It also looks to be lighter, making it more ergonomic without compromising on features. As expected, the phone retains the S Pen, which gives it an edge over competitors in this price range. However, there's some significant news outside of the S25 Ultra's design. According to reports from Korean media, Samsung has made a major shakeup within its ranks by firing several senior executives. This decision is believed to be linked to the company's struggles in the semiconductor space, particularly the failure of their Exynos chips to meet expectations. Due to poor performance, the highly anticipated Exynos 2500 chip will not be included in the S25 Ultra. Instead, all models in the S25 series will be powered by Qualcomm's next-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. In another major industry shift, even Google has chosen to ditch Samsung's semiconductor technology, opting for TSMC for the upcoming Pixel 10 device. This marks a significant change in the semiconductor landscape for both companies. Lastly, there are rumors of a powerful AI upgrade for the Galaxy S25 series, courtesy of One UI 7. It's speculated that OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is in talks with Samsung to integrate ChatGPT's technology into Samsung's Galaxy AI. This collaboration could take the AI capabilities of Samsung's devices to new heights, combining ChatGPT's advanced chatbot with Samsung's own AI framework.